welcome to channel JNA News. I'm Nicole.
And I'm Jess, and we have quite the show planned for you today.
We've all heard of the periodic table of elements, which arranges the chemical elements by atomic structure. But have you ever heard of the Vigira periodic table?
Some similarities between the two families are that they're color-coded, the symbols and full names are shown, and the atomic number is located on the bottom.
Some more similarities between the original periodic table and the Vigira periodic table are they are both partly arranged by atomic number, where the lowest starts in the middle of the Vigira table and the lowest starts in the top of the original periodic table. Finally, the lithinide and acetinide series are included in both tables.
The differences in the Vigira table is based on electron structure, where the original table is based on atomic structure. Also, the Vigira table shows what electron orbital the element ends on. Unlike the original table, the atomic mass is not shown. The noble gases are located on separate bands or shells, as they're so called. As you can see, the shape of the tables are different.
The Vigira table is arranged based on the element's electron structure on the nucleus. The different colors in the table represent if it's a metal or a non-metal, and the lower atomic numbers are in the middle. There are 19 vertical bands showing all the elements. The aliki metals form the first element of each band. Here with us we have Ashley Bauer, an expert from the Ann Arbor Science Museum, who's here to explain a little more on the history of this periodic table. So Ashley, tell me, who invented the Vigira table?
Well, we're not really sure. A lot of research has gone into trying to figure out who it is, but nobody can seem to find the actual creator. We have a couple of good theories, though. Our first theory is that a guy named David Thompson created it. David Thompson wrote a lot of articles about this table and trying to describe it. We also think that it might be a guy named Beaufort who invented the 3D periodic table by which this one's created off of.
Why do you think these different inventors would choose such a table to create?
Once again, we're not exactly sure of the reason why, but we think the main reason would probably be that they're doing some sort of project that involved them looking at the electron configuration, and this table is really useful when they're trying to easily find it, and so we think that's why they would invent this.
And lastly, I want your opinion. Do you think in the United States we should switch to using the Vigira table, or should we stick with the original periodic table?
My opinion is that we should stick with the original, mainly because we already know it, and switching to anything just like the metric system is going to be hard and it's going to be difficult to teach. But also, there's a lot more information in the original that we can use. Then it's easier to locate than in this one.
Thank you, Ashley, for joining us this evening.
And join us next week when we discuss the disadvantages and advantages of the metric system.